Hello students, today I am starting Introduction to Vectors. We know that external properties of materials are called physical quantities. Physical quantities can be represented by magnitude and directions. Some physical quantities can be represented by magnitude only, and some require both magnitude and directions. And the second type of quantities which require both magnitude and direction are called vector quantities. For example, a force of 10 Newton is applied in north direction. Here 10 is magnitude and north is direction. Vector quantities are of different types. First, polar vectors. Polar vectors are those vectors which have direction towards a fixed point. Second, axial vectors. These vectors are used to express rotation. For example, angular velocity. A vector has both magnitude and direction. Therefore, equal vectors are those vectors having same magnitude and direction. But if the two vectors have same magnitude but exactly in opposite directions, these vectors are called negative vectors or opposite vectors. Sometimes a vector quantity has zero magnitude. For example, if a particle is moving such that its velocity is constant, then the particle will have zero acceleration. The vectors having zero magnitude are called zero vectors or null vectors. If a vector quantity is divided by its magnitude, it gives unit vector. In fact, unit vectors are used to designate directions. A unit vector is denoted by putting a cap over the symbol. Unit vectors in the directions of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis are called orthogonal unit vectors. They are represented by I cap, j cap and k cap. I along x-axis, j along y-axis and k along z-axis. Sometimes two or more than two vectors quantities having same initial points. Such type of vectors are called co-initial vectors. Sometimes vectors have same directions. Such type of vectors are called collinear vectors. If vectors lie in same plane, then these vectors are called coplanar vectors. Suppose two forces are acting in horizontal plane, then these two forces are example of coplanar vector. To locate position of a particle in coordinate system, displacement of particle is taken from the origin. This displacement is called position vector of that particle. Thank you.